Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add new columns to your tables and sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive into this. Navigate to a workspace on Smartsheet and access one of your project sheets. So let me go, for example, with this project sheet here for demonstration purposes. And after that, guys, you will see your project sheet here to the right with the applied view here, which is in this case here a table view. Let us stick with the table view. And here, guys, to the right, you will see columns and rows. So if you'd like to add more columns to your table and to your sheet, all you need to do, guys, is take a look at that right end of your table. And here you will see an empty or grayed out column with that plus icon. So to add a new column, click into this plus icon and select your new column with a column type like drop-down list, checkbox, text and number, date, and so on and so forth. So let us go with, let's say, a status column. After that, customize your column like, I don't know, new status or custom status or something like that. You may describe it below. Select the column type again. So let us go with, which one was it? Status, and you can specify that. For example, go with symbols or created by, created date, modified by, and so on and so forth. Clicking to apply here, and that is going to add your column to your table and your project sheet. And that's how it works, guys. If you don't see that, the right hand of your table, simply move that slider here at the bottom, and that is going to reveal that grayed out add column field here. So that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.